Okay, guys, today I'm going to show you just how to get into your Google Classroom. Now, in this case, I would be going on inside a computer, so not necessarily the iPad. I showed one with the iPad, now I'm going to show one with the computer. So I'm logged on as my son. This will help me show you how to do things. So you can see I have two different classes here. If I click into a class and I'm stuck in a class, I can always click these three buttons that say main menu, and then I can switch classes here, or I can click the classes button, and you can see that I have two different classes that my son's enrolled in. So you just come back and you pick the correct class. So if you're in reading today, you would pick the reading one. If you were in math and you had a math class here, you can go math and science. Okay, so today I'm just going to do Open Shattuck Summer Camp because this is the one that I'm going to be using just to practice with. When you open on the stream, you can see that there's brand new things here. There's an assignment right there, but you won't always find everything on the stream. So what I'd like you to do is actually click on the Classwork button. The Classwork button will show you in order what you do. It'll have a due date if there's one there. It'll tell you what's been assigned, what's been turned in. You can click View Your Work, and it will also show you the same thing. So right here we can see that we have an assignment, and if you click View Assignment, it will show up just like this. Now you have private comments here where you can send me a message. Okay, you type whatever you need to and you can send it to me and it will show up on my page. So I can respond here, and any comments I have on your assignments will be here. Okay, these are class comments, so this would go to the class. This is a private comment just for the teacher. So if you have a question or if you need to see something that I've written to you, it will be here. Now you'll notice that right here it says your work. And right here it has the document that you need in order to complete this assignment. So I'm going to click on that assignment and I'm going to open up his practice writing assignment. So you read the directions. I want you to practice a writing assignment and turn it in. What did you do for the summer? You write 5 sentences about this question on a sheet of paper or on this Google document and then turn it in to me. So you just go down here and write your story, and you write whatever, and check your spelling. You can see this little blue line, and it tells me that that's the wrong word. Write your story, and I fixed it, so I edited. Okay, and once you are done, this should save. It says last edit was seconds ago. Okay, it should save, so I can close it just like that, and when I open it back up, I should have what I wrote, see, right there. Okay, so you don't have to do anything to save it. It just says it's saved right there automatically. Once you're done, you come back to this after you close it and you just click Turn In, and it'll ask you if you really want to turn it in, and you click Turn In, and you'll see right here it says that it's turned in, and you can unsubmit. So say you made a mistake or I asked you to go back and fix something. You come here and you click Unsubmit, Unsubmit, and then your assignment you can add on to it. So I can open up that assignment once again and I can add on. Okay, and again you see that it's saved. Okay, save to drive. And then all you have to do is you click Close and click Turn In. Now if you get here and the assignment is not here, but you know what the directions are because I will write the directions here, you can click Add or Create. Okay, and if that's the case, you can go in and create a new document, and you'll see it'll pop up in just a moment. And there's practice writing assignment. Okay, and then you can type in here just what you want to say. That is another way to do it, and it's saved to the drive, so I can close it. So now I've got 2 documents right here. Okay, and then you can click Turn In. There's other ways that you can do things. So you can add something from Google Drive. You can add a link. You can add a file. If you add a file, you can add one. You can add a picture of whatever you needed or whatever you took, and you can attach it to that. So we'll work on that on a different day. So once you're done, you click the Turn In. and then I'll show you what happens. Okay, so now if I go back and click there, okay, and go to my classwork, it says right here, turned in. And it didn't highlight, turned in. Okay, so I can see that I turned it in. And underneath it will be anything that I've written to you, but you can always open View Assignment and look at my comments here. And that will be where I tell you whether you need to go back and fix something or you did a good job, something along those lines. Okay?